If you are a digital marketing agency owner wasting hours a week on chasing leads that go nowhere, you send out emails, follow ups on DMs, and half the time turn out they were never serious at the first place. Now imagine this. All was flipped. Whenever a new leads comes in, you exactly know who was worth your time, and they will automatically get a personalized email and also an SMS from you. This is exactly I am going to show you today. So let's begin with the problem. You are a digital marketing agency owner and you know the pain. 100 people might come on your site and fill the form. Maybe out of 100, five of them are serious. The rest of the 95 are just spam, using spam emails, names, trying to get some free stuff. Meanwhile, you and your team spends hours replying to them, sending them emails, follow up on DMs, and still you get nothing. You waste your time and your money and trying to guess which leads are hot and which are just waste of time. And what happened next? The good leads slip through the crack because you are too busy chasing the bad ones. But the time you finally get back to the one golden lead, they have already been moved to another agency, thinking that you are not serious about running an agency. And this will cost you thousands of dollars because if you got the client, you can easily close them. And don't worry, this is not that frustrating. That's money walking right out the door, and you are just seeing it going through. So for this, in Anytime I have built a solution that can easily solve this problem. This is a pretty simple workflow that can solve this problem. And it also costs just almost some cents per lead. Not even that. Like if you run it, if you get 1,000 or even more contact forms a month, it will cost you just $5 to $6, and not even that. You need to pay just for the opening cost, but it's just simple as copy paste thing, like not that complex. So the solution here is I built this AI powered workflow that does all of these things in the background and update everything in the Google Sheet in this simple Google Sheet template, which has a name, email, phone number, company, what service the user interested in, their budget, a category, and so on, and also a outreach status, that if the message is sent or not. And if it's a hot lead, the message will be sent an email, something like that. You can also add a SMS. You just need to connect your Twilio account to it. That can also send a WhatsApp message and also an SMS. And also, if it's a bad lead, it will do nothing. Just don't send any kind of email. Don't waste your credit, something like that. And also score out of 100 the lead, how much it have potential. Also, AI will analyze the lead and get you and give you an reasoning, like what the lead is about, what they are looking for, etc. If their email is correct or just an kind of thing like test at email.com, something like that, trying to spam getting something for free, their budget, analyze all of the things, and have a AI score out of 100. So the main problem this workflow is solving, that if it's a junk lead, it will mark as a junk, and you don't need to waste time on that, following them, sending them emails, etc., doing follow-ups and trying to call them, something like that, whatever outreach method you do. And also for the high quality leads that score up 50 to 60 out of this score range out of 100, marked as hot lead, you just know that we need to send them follow-ups. And here the best part, this automation will also send an email like saying that thank you for connecting us, we will connect you soon, etc., like whatever you want to, it will automatically do that, and also mark it as sent or not sent if it's a junk. And you can think of it like having a 24/7 sale assistant that never forgets to follow up, never take a lunch break, never get tired or have fever, and never let a good lead slip through the cracks. So don't wasting your time. Let me give you a quick demo of it, how this workflow even works. So if it has a simple on form submission, you can add this, you can have this URL in your website, or you can also add a Facebook lead trigger that whenever someone fills a form through your Facebook, it will automatically trigger the workflow and send them an email. But for now, I will just work on a on form submission. You can hit the test workflow. After this, it will pop up this form where the user can add name, email, phone number, company, and what service they are interested in and their budget. But you can also customize the form as many options you want to add. Now, as for it's a demo, let me fill this form. For the name, I will just use as simple as John. So the phone number is just for testing, like just a random number. Their company is anytime.com. What service they are interested in? Maybe anytime needs some SEO. Their budget range, their kind of some risk, so 5 to 10,000. Submit. Now, after submitting the form, it will automatically trigger the workflow, append, add all the data into Google Sheet like this. John at the rate anytime.com, their phone number, they want an SEO budget. After this, it will analyze the lead using all of the lead data you give. This is the simple OpenAI prompt that will mark the lead as junk, cold, warm, or hot lead, and also output a next step that you need to ignore this. Send personalized outreach push to CRM, etc. After this, it will automatically add all of the AI data into the sheet. Like it's a hot lead, their score is 92 out of 100. It's a business email, anytime.com, valid phone number starting from the country, etc. Push to CRM, and also a message like the email has been sent. So after this, it will not always send all of the emails, but it has a if no. If it's a neutral list sent to personalized outreach or push to CRM, it will then go into true branch, like it move forward. If it's a ignore, it will automatically go into false and do nothing. Like if the lead is junk, it will not send any email. After, if it's true, if it's a hot lead, it will automatically get into this node OpenAI, where the email and the SMS will be created like this. Email subject will be SEO support from Anytime quick 15-minute chat, or you can also add a booking link there, and also an SMS body, and also an SMS can also have a Twilio account. You just need to add your account SID and authorization token. Need to from in the from you need to add your number and drag and drop this number here, and also the message from the SF message from the OpenAI, and it will also send an SMS if needed, also on the WhatsApp, if you just enable this WhatsApp thing in Twilio. But it will cost like for the number you need to pay for the number in Twilio. And email, you can connect your Gmail account, or or just connect your professional email. To email, you can have this you have this user email. It will be a dynamic JSON that will automatically update on what the user will fill. If the user gives an email, what the user will fill, it will automatically get into that and send an email to that user, and subject OpenAI made this, and also the email body. And after this, just a simple set note and append and update Google Sheet row, and that will update the status that if the outreach message is sent or not. So for this automation, the proof of value is that agency using this are telling that they are saving up to 10 to 15 hours every single week, because if you do this manually, you can easily spend like even more than 10 to 20 hours a week if you have a small team like 4 to 5 people. And if you are a solo, it's a diamond for you. You can save up to like 20 to 30 hours a week. And here's the kicker: the agencies that are using these automation, they are closing deals faster, because when a real lead comes in, they get a reply within a minutes, not days or weeks. Just to get a simple reply, agency owner told me that before that they took like 2 to 3 days to follow up people, but now every time a hot lead comes in, it will instantly trigger this workflow, and within a minute user will get the email and also an SMS. And let me give you an extra tip on this, because there is where most agency messed up. They treat every lead the same, but the truth is hot leads don't wait around. If they want a service, they just need the service because they are in a hurry. And if you send the first message about 3 to 4 days after, they will automatically go to another agency to get their service, and you will left with nothing. And also blasting out the same copy paste message like thank you for reaching out message. This is not building trust. It will feel like a spam or just a robot like trying to close lead. Just a robot will feel like someone is not even like working that. That's not how you build trust. The real win is giving the right lead, the right response at the right time. And that exactly what system is built to every single time. Here's the deal. If you are tired of wasting time chasing bad leads and you are ready to start focusing only on the ones that actually close, this system is built for you. Even if you are a digital marketing agency or any kind of like SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, any kind of agency, this is the system for you. And you can grab this done for you version right now using the link below. Your agency has a unique setup and you need something custom, reach out. I will be help you. And to reach out, I will drop down my email in the description and also in the pin comment. Either way, stop letting good leads slip through your fingers. Let the system handles the busy work so you can spend time in the count. Spend your time doing the real work, not qualifying the lead. And at the end, with this, you can close even more faster. The more fast you get to the lead, the more faster they will close. And that's it for this video. If you want anything custom I should build on this channel, you should comment down. You can comment down below, and I will build the system. Thank you for the time.